case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In Barnett v. U.S. Air, Inc., a 2000 case before the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, disability discrimination in employment took center stage. The Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, mandates that employers provide reasonable accommodations for employees with disabilities and engage in an interactive process to identify and implement appropriate accommodations, unless it poses an undue hardship on the business. Robert Barnett, an employee of U.S. Air, filed a discrimination lawsuit under the ADA after the airline denied his request to remain in the mailroom as a reasonable accommodation for his back injury. Barnett alleged that U.S. Air failed to engage in the interactive process for 5 months and retaliated against him for filing charges with the EEOC. The district court initially granted summary judgment in favor of U.S. Air. However, upon appeal, the decision was reversed on all claims except for retaliation, and the case was remanded for trial. The lawsuit raised issues related to employer obligations, reasonable accommodations, seniority systems, and retaliation claims under the ADA. Ultimately, the court held that U.S. Air must engage in a good-faith interactive process with Barnett to identify reasonable accommodations, including reassignment. Barnett's mailroom request was deemed reasonable, and the seniority system was not deemed a barrier to reassignment. U.S. Air's motion was denied, the retaliation claim dismissed, and discrimination claims were sent back to the district court for trial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.